Are you guys having fun in the class these days? Yes or no? And still, what's wrong with your teacher's voice? Hello everyone. Today is Friday. So you guys have any plan for the weekend with your mommy and daddy? Yes or no? No. So everybody, today we're going to go over F words again. So I think everybody knows all the F words by now, right? So we're gonna go over it one more time with your teacher. So you guys have to focus, focus, focus. Listen, 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 and repeat, repeat, repeat after your teacher, okay? And Ian, don't call me Jeannie teacher. I'm Yuri, okay? All right? Everybody's calling me Jeannie teacher. Who's Jeannie? I'm Yuri. All right, guys? So everybody, let's go over all the F words. But before we do that, let's go over all the letters from A to F, okay? So this is big F and the little F. This is A. This is big A and the little A. A sounds like right? A. And what about A? B. This big B and the little b. We are reviewing right now, okay? Big B and the little b. B. And what about this? We're gonna go over very quickly. C. C. A, B, C. D. A, B, C, D. Big E and the little E. E sounds like everybody. Hajin, are you following? Right? Kevin, Min. Johnny. So we're gonna go over F sounds like F. Okay, so F sounds like F, right? Okay. So let's go over all the F words. So this. Come on. Alright, so I know you guys know all the F words that we learn in class, but we're gonna go over it one more time. Okay? Yes? Alright, so this is 5. Fish. And this is fox. And this is flower. And this is fork. And what about this one? This is flamingo, right? And what about this? This is a black fly, right? And what about this? A frog, right? So guys, these words are so easy to remember, right? So let me see if you guys can remember all the words. And before we do that, your teacher's gonna introduce 2 new students. We have 2 new friends, right? So let me see. I put all the friends in the magic box, but I'm gonna introduce 2 new friends this week. We have Sayul and Steven. Sayul and Steven. Welcome to my class. Sayul, Steven. Alright, so you guys are going to go to the Matchbox. Alright, so your teacher's gonna pick only maybe 3, maybe 6. I don't know. Let's mix all the cards, okay? Let's mix all the cards and who's gonna come out first. Let's see. I'm gonna mix all the cards. I forgot to do this. Everybody, it's a Matchbox time! Ready? So let's go. Let's pick. Stella was absent last whole week because of, I'm not you are absent. Are you okay? So everybody, now Stella, F sounds like F, right? F sounds like F, 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 F. So, Stella, what is this? F, F, frog, F, F, frog, right? Frog. You guys, you have to review several times, more than like 3 times. Watch this video more than 3 times, so you can remember all the words, because you are not here last whole week you are absent, right? So you have to remember all the F words, okay? And finish up your homework and bring to your teacher on Mondays, okay? So everybody, this is Stella and this is F. So let's pick one more. Hello. Are you doing okay in your class? Yes? With Amy teacher and Sarah teacher? Yes or no? Are you willing to do with your teacher? Yes? Do you really want to study with your teacher? Yes or no? You're calling me Jimmy teacher as well. Why? I'm not Jimmy teacher, I'm your teacher. Tell. Alright, so tell, how does F sound like? F, 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 F. Look at your cute face. F, 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 and F. Tell, let me see if you remember this. Tell, what is? Rosa, are you watching? What is this? This is fly, fly, right? Okay, Theo, you have to remember all the F words. I know you do. You can remember all the words, right? So, fly, fly. And let's pick one more, guys. Let's mix all the cards. Another nose gonna come out next. Diana, right? You're not Jenny. Again. You're Diana, right? Still, your teacher is confused. Why? Diana, right? Yes. I know you're Diana. You're Diana, right? You can't be Jenny. You can't be Jenny. You have to be Diana, right? You're not Jenny. Let me see. You're not Jenny. You're Diana. This is Jenny, right? Sorry. Diana. F, 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 F. Diana, you remember all the F words, I know. Your teacher checked it already. F, 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 F. Okay, so Diana, what is this? This is fork. Fork, right? The right answer? Very nice. Diana, you did an excellent work. So let's pick one more, guys. There's this. I need to solve cards. Cards are next. With the classes. Johnny, hello. I think your teacher's gonna take you one more picture because you got hurt when you were taking this picture. You had a little scars on your face, right? I think your teacher's gonna give you a new fancy pictures for you only. Okay, Johnny, are you ready? Yes. So, Johnny, how does F sound like? F, 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 right? So, Johnny, what is this? This is flamingo, right? Got it, Johnny? Flamingo, flamingo. Got it. You know all the letters from A to F sounds, right, Jenny? All right, so go back to your Matchbox. Okay, so guys, you guys did an excellent work. So efforts were very, very easy, right? So just remember all the words and finish up your homework and give it to your teacher on Monday. Okay, guys? But before we say goodbye, we are going to call out Leo teacher today. Leo teacher is going to say all the F words for us. So listen to him, okay? I'm gonna go find Leo teacher right now. Leo teacher, where are you? I'm gonna go find him. See you in a little bit. Leo teacher! My video clip, okay? Say, hello Leo teacher. Say, hello Leo teacher. This is Yuri teacher and Leo teacher. Guys, Leo teacher is gonna see he's going to say all the F words. So let me see if he knows all the F words, guys. Alright, so ready? Yeah. Leo? Okay, so Leo, what is this?
Fox.
Fox. Very good. What about this one? Fork. Yes, fork. Fork. Very good. What's wrong with your teacher's hair? Yeah. What is this, guys? Oh, what is this?
5.
5. Very good. What about this one? Frog. Yes, very good. What about this one? Flower. And this is? Flamingo. And what about this one? Fly. Yes. Speak louder. What is this? Fish. Very good. Fish. Leo teacher, how does F sound like? F. Very good. What about how does A sound like? A. B. C. E. A, B, C, D. E. F. Excellent, Leo. High five. You're gonna be on my video clip, okay?
Yeah.
Say thank you, everybody. Say bye-bye. Are you happy? Yes? Okay, let's go. Come on. Alright, thank you, Leo teacher. You were so good. But next time you can speak a little bit louder, okay? So, thank you, Leo teacher. Alright, so everybody, hope you have a great weekend with your mommy and daddy and your family. So, finish up your homework and bring it to your teacher on Monday, okay, guys? Alright, so your teacher can give you 1 more point. Alright, so have a safe weekend, guys. I'm not Jimmy teacher, I'm Yuri teacher, okay, Ian?